Hello friends, welcome to my channel MNP2 Studio. In this video, we are going to learn some GK questions. So, let's get started. Question. Our first question is, which state has launched the mission virtually? Here, you have to say that which state has launched the mission virtually. So here highlights this mission is the part of the government's campaign to complete the goal of 100% potable pipe water supply in all rural households by March 22. Mega surface water supply scheme by. So here in this question they are saying that which of the state have launched the mission virtually. This is government's campaign to complete the goal of 100% potable and clean piped water by March 2022. So this scheme is done by. So here are your options. So the correct answer is Punjab, Captain Amrinder Singh. Now we'll get some details here. Mega surface water supply. So here Captain Amrinder Singh also inaugurated one mega surface water supply scheme. This scheme has three components. It covers 85 villages in the Moga district. It comprises of 144 new water supply scheme for 172 villages. It also comprises 121 arsenic and iron removal plants. This scheme will benefit 1.6 lakh residents from across 155 villages in Amritsar. So here they are saying that Captain Amrinder Singh has inaugurated the water supply scheme for 85 villages in Moga district and new water supply scheme in the 172 villages, and it also comprises 121 arsenic and iron removal plants. So let's get started to the another question. So this is your another question. The SpaceX of Elon Musk has recently announced to launch its first all-civilian mission to the SpaceX. Highlights the SpaceX is planning for launch the Inspiration 4. This would be the first all-commercial astronaut mission in the world. The spacecraft will start orbiting in fourth quarter of this year. And here are your options given. Falcon Heavy, Falcon 9, Falcon X and Falcon XX. So these are your options. So the correct answer is option B. Falcon 9 is the correct answer. Now another question. Mo Jungle. Yes, Mo Jungle and Know Your Forest Land mobile apps launched by which state government? So the correct answer is option C, Odisha. Odisha is the correct answer. Here, Know Your Forest Land mobile app launched by state government of Odisha. Forestry in India is a significant rural industry and a major environmental resource. India is one of the 10 most forest-rich countries of the world. Together, India and 9 countries account 67% of total forest area in the world. Odisha is one of the top 5 states among the largest area under forest covers. So this app is Know Your Forest Land is made by government of Odisha because to know about the forestry in India. Here India and other 9 countries covers the 67% of total area of the world, and Odisha is one of the top 5 state in India which is the largest area under forest cover. So now let's see the map of India and where is Odisha. So here this is the map of Odisha. First, this is our lovely India, and then in India this is Odisha. And the states which are touching border with Odisha are Andhra Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand and West Bengal, and it have a coastal line with Bay of Bengal also. The capital of Odisha is Bhubaneswar, and CM of Odisha is Naveen Patnaik. So this is our another question here. Name the Dutch Nobel laureate died recently who coined the term Anthropocene and warned about the ozone hole. So you have to tell the name of the Dutch Nobel who have coined a term, who have told a term Anthropocene and warned about the ozone hole. So first of all, in Earth, suppose if this is the Earth, so here in the Earth, the outer atmosphere blanket have ozone layer, or you can say O3. So in this layer a hole is there, and ozone protect us from the harsh rays from the sun. So this ozone should not be destroyed. We have to conserve, and we have to protect our ozone layer because it saves us from the harsh rays of the sun. So this Dutch Nobel laureate, he told about that. So what is name of him? So the correct answer is means Paul Joseph Crutzen. These are your options, and the correct answer is option B. The correct answer of the MCQ is Paul Joseph Crutzen, a Dutch Nobel laureate who coined the term Anthropocene and warned about the ozone hole. Paul Joseph Crutzen was a Dutch atmospheric chemist. In addition to studying the ozone layer, climate change popularized the term Anthropocene to describe a proposed new era when the human action have a drastic effect on the earth. So he have warned us, and now it is the ozone layer is protected. Now next question is, recently Prime Minister Narendra Modi applauded a girl in his Mann Ki Baat program named Bhagyashree. In his Mann Ki Baat program, the girl has mastered the art of creating Pattachitra on various themes. Pattachitra is type of art. So she have did Pattachitra art on bottles and small electric bulbs which are not in use. So from where she belong? West Bengal, Manipur, Assam or Odisha? So correct answer is Odisha. Bhubaneswar, it was a proud moment for Bhagyashree. It was a proud moment for Bhagyashree, and she belongs to Rourkela, as Prime Minister Narendra Modi praised her during Mann Ki Baat program. So although Bhagyashree is a student of engineering, but she have did the Pattachitra drawing here in this. Here like this, in the bottle she have did the Pattachitra art. About Pattachitra or Patachitra term generally used for a traditional cloth based scroll painting, means it can be done in cloth or any paper, you can say. So she have done that drawing in the unused bottles and unused bulbs which are not in use nowadays. This is a very nice question. The Tibetan spiritual leader, the Dalai Lama, have recently launched his new book. The book comprises 130 quotes. The book has been edited by Renuka Singh but published by Penguin Random House. What is the name of the book? So here, the spiritual leader, the Dalai Lama, have launched his new book with 130 quotes in it, and it is edited by Renuka Singh and published by Penguin Random House. So what is the name of the book? Here are the options, and the correct answer is option C, The Little Book of Encouragement. And this is the spiritual leader Dalai Lama of China or Tibet. And here The two options are also there. By Many a Happy Accident. It is written by M. Hamid Ansari, and I Am Not a Messiah. It is written by Sonu Sood. So this is the cover page of the book The Little Encouragement. And here Dalai Lama means he wrote this book to encourage us, because in lockdown we are all depressed because of this pandemic. That's why he written this book, The Little Book of Encouragement. This question is here I have told you the answer in the previous slide only. The book titled By Many a Happy Accident is in news nowadays. Who is the author of this book? So here are your options: Salman Rushdie, Arundhati Roy, and M. Hamid Ansari, and Syed Hamiduddin Hassan. So the correct answer is Hamid Ansari, option C. Option C. So this is the cover page of the book Many by Happy Accident, and it is in news nowadays because he is the former Vice President of India. M. Hamid Ansari is the former Vice President of India. And one more thing. And here he is also chairman of the Rajya Sabha for 2 consecutive years, 2007 and 2017. He served as ambassador of United Arab Emirates, or you can say UAE, Afghanistan, Iran, Saudi Arabia, and High Commissioner to Australia, and as a permanent representative of the United Nations in New York. So this is the cover page. And now the next question. So the next question is, name the country who has asked India's Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam to construct a hydropower project in their country. So a country has asked India's Satluj Jal power project to construct a hydropower project in their country. So here are the options. So the options are Bangladesh, Nepal, Bhutan, or Myanmar. So the correct answer is Nepal. So the correct answer is option B, Nepal. Nepal has asked to construct the hydropower project to India's Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam in their country. Nepal has decided to award the contract to construct of 679 megawatt lower Arun hydropower project in India's Satluj Jal Vidyut Nigam, SJVN. Now let's see where is Nepal and how it touches the border with India. So as you can see, this is our lovely India, and here this is Nepal, this one. So Nepal touches border with Uttarakhand and Uttar Pradesh, with Bihar, with somewhat here from the West Bengal also, and from Sikkim, and this border with China. So here this is Nepal in the India's map. Now let's see Nepal with its river map. So here this is Nepal's river map. And where is Arun River? Arun River is here. It originates from Tibet, China, and then it comes to Nepal, and then lastly it falls in India. So this is the map of India with border with countries which are touching border to India, and this is the map of river map of Nepal. So thanks for watching this video. Keep smiling.